It's 20th of August 2014, and today I was practicing sending love in this way. I would lay down, close my eyes, and at first I tried to do it the way I did the whole last week, switching into awareness of everything that is happening now, and feeling joy from this awareness, and then also switch into awareness of my preference that love would flow into every goal on my list. And this I tried to do this, and it felt joyous. And then I also imagined that pink light is flowing from my right into every goal on my list, like I see the list in front of me in my imagination, and pink, pink light, is flowing into every goal on my list. And immediately I started yawning, and I see yawning as an indicator that my attention is on real love. My friends and I came to a view that this is a good indicator. Yawning and even tears dripping from my eyes. So this love in the form of pink light felt very pleasant. And then I also imagined that pink light is flowing into every goal, and also part of this pink light is flowing into me. This felt even better. And this idea of imagining love in a form of pink light, it was I found it in writings of Joe Tolve. He is American, he is black, and he went through many interesting things, and he has a book about his life, and he describes there how he used this idea of imagining radiating pink light, and this was changing his relationships with his colleagues on work. Everybody became friendly to him. The same way as Klaus Joel describes results of sending love in his book The Messenger, Living on Love, The Messenger. And Joe Tolver also says that he is imagining sending love in form of pink light. Klaus Joel proposed a model where a flow of love we imagine as a golden light, and for a long time I used this model, but now I like a model of pink light better. Maybe in Western culture pink light is automatically associated with love. Okay, this is how I was practicing sending love today. See you next time.